There was no eternal wait for another big hit which fading superstars always hope at the twilight of their career. Virat Kohli was honest with himself as he called time on his outstanding career. Outstanding it was, but pretty ordinary towards the end of it. Kohli's decline as a test batter was obvious, with his test average slipping from the high of 55 to less than 47. His test average dipped to under 32 in the last 3 years, and when the fellow members of the Fabulous Four recalibrated their game to surge ahead, Kohli was under pressure. Kohli could have continued to reach the modern benchmark of greatness, 10,000 test runs, but he was some 770 runs short of that when he called it quits. Kohli has been contemplating retirement for some time after the underwhelming returns from Down Under early this year. We saw vulnerability, technical shortcomings in Kohli as he repeatedly got out, chasing balls outside the off stump. But after playing a stellar role in India's triumph in the Champions Trophy and enjoying one of his best seasons in IPL 2025, Kohli chose not to travel to England where the conditions would have tested his frailties. He chose to end his career on a whimper. But nevertheless, he was India's most successful test captain, winning 40 out of the 68 tests he captained. The intensity he was able to maintain throughout a test match was unbelievable. Not averse to eyeballing the opposition players and giving them a mouthful, he shrugged off the timid image of Indian cricketers. With another intense character, Ravi Shastri, as his manager, Kohli led India to many memorable wins. As a test batter, he won more matches for India and scored centuries in Sena countries. He wore the baggy blue more proudly than anyone else and wore the heart on his sleeve, and to hear him say that he was mentally fragile was Kohli-like. Marriage and fatherhood saw him mellow down when he found there is more life outside the cricket field. Of late he was fiercely private and was enjoying time with his family. He is an all-time great in one-day international with staggering 50 centuries. But he fell short of greatness in Test cricket.